the first question that comes in every student mind, that what I will get after taking this course. Without introducing myself and introducing this course, I will show you that what you can do after taking this course. Now this is the first application that you can create after taking this course. It is a simple calculator that we will create in this course. For example, I can add two numbers. I can simply subtract two numbers. I can simply multiply two numbers, and I can divide two numbers that I want. So this is the simple calculator that we will create in this course. And moving to our next, we will create a simple media player in Java. For example, this is a simple media player that has some functionalities. For example, I click on File, Open, and now I am going to open a video. For example, I have these videos right now in my computer, so I open this video. I simply pause it, and now you can see that my video has been paused here. I play it again.
Hello and welcome back to this course.
I can decrease
This is
its
our second
volume.
video of this course in which I will teach you that.
Now you can see that the volume has been decreased to 0. And I can also increase its volume like this.
My professor told me 4 steps that will help us.
I
to
can
write
also
code.
reload the video. I can stop this video. I can reload this video again. Pause this video. I can also increase the speed. I can also decrease the speed.
Hello and welcome back to this course.
This is our second video of this course in which I will teach
This
you.
is the media player that we will create in this course. And at the end of this course, we are going to create a banking application that is connected to our database. So this is the simple banking application that we will create in Java. You can see that I have a simple login system. But before logging in into my account, I need to create an account. So what I do, I simply click on this create new account button, and I fill this form to create my account. So I simply type here my name. I type here my ID card number. For example, I just type here random numbers. Type here my mobile number. Like this. And I type just select my gender, male, single, religion, select my date of birth from here. And like this. And I simply select my city from here. Type my address, just for example. And now you can see that this is my personal information. Then I have to fill this account information here. And now you can see that I have assigned an account number automatically. So it is automatically assigned to me. I cannot edit this account number. I have to type here my balance, for example, $5,000. Then I have to select my account type. For example, I want to create a current account and generate my own PIN here. For example, I type here UDEMY, Udemy. Then I select security question. What is your pet name? I type here Tony. If I forgot my password, then I can recover my password with this security question. And after that, I have to select my profile picture of this account. For example, I click on browse picture. And now I simply select my picture here. You can see that my picture has been pasted here. And I simply click on this create account. So you can see this message, account created successfully. Your account has been created successfully. You can now log in with your account number and PIN. Okay. So I simply go back. Now my account number was this and my password was Udemy. For example, I forgot the password. I simply go to the forgot password. Here I have to select my account number. For example, I have account number this. And I want to recover my password. I simply select my security question from here. For example, I have this one. But I select a wrong question from here like this and type here just like this and click on recover password. So wrong data, please try again. I select here what is your pet name and click on recover password. You can see that below is your password, account number this, and your PIN is this. Okay, simply go back and type here my account number and my password, which is UDEMY, Udemy, and click on login from here. Now this is the dashboard of this application. First of all, I have my picture, then my name, then this is the home screen of this application. Now I can see my account information from here. My balance is $5,000. This is my account number, this is my gender, this is my account type, and this is my religion. Now I have this withdraw and deposit buttons. I can either click on these, or I can also go to these buttons with the help of these two shortcuts. For example, I want to deposit some money, so I simply click on deposit. This is the deposit amount screen. Here my account number is this and current balance is this. I simply type here $100. I want to deposit $100 into my account and type here my PIN, which is Udemy. Click on deposit. Amount deposited successfully. Amount 100 has been successfully deposited. Current balance is $5,100. Click on OK. You can see that your balance has been updated here. When you go back to your account information, you can see that your balance has been also updated here. When I want to withdraw some money, I simply click here and I type here $500 and give a PIN here. Click on withdraw. Amount withdraw successfully. So 500 has been successfully withdrawn. Current balance is $4,600. Click on OK. Your balance has been updated. You can see here $4,600. Now my withdraw and deposit history is also saving in database. For example, I want to see that what is the transaction history. Either I go to here or I can go to the home page. Here I have a shortcut, view transactions. I click on here. You can see that this is my first withdraw amount. So I withdraw 500 and my remaining balance was this at this date, and this was the time. You can see the computer time 9:04 p.m. here 9:03 p.m. So this is the withdraw history, and in deposit history we have deposit $100 and our new balance was $5,100 this date, and this is the time. So after that you can also send money to some other accounts. For example, I want to send money to any other account, so I simply click here transfer money. Here I can type the account number of that user. For example, I type here 123456. I first of all can check this user data. For example, I want to check that my account number is correct or not. I simply click on search from here. You can see this dialog box. Below is information of account. Account number this, name Ghulam Abbas, and mobile number this. This is also account with my name. Okay, I want to send $2,000 to this person. I enter my PIN here and I click on transfer. Amount transferred successfully. Amount 2,000 has been successfully transferred to account number 123456. Okay. Now my remaining balance was $2,600. If I go to my transaction history and in transfer money history, you can see that I have sent $2,000 to send to this. I have sent $2,000 to this account number on this date and this time. This history is also saved there. Okay. Now the last option, which is the change PIN. I can also change my password. For example, my old PIN was Udemy and now my new PIN was Java, Java. Retype here Java. I click on change PIN. PIN changed successfully. Your PIN has been changed. Now you have to log in again with new PIN. Click on OK. I have to again log in with my new PIN. I type here my account number and password. This time if I type here Udemy and click on login, you will see error in login. Your account number or password is wrong. Enter again. So I type here Java and click on login. Now I can access my account again. You can see that this was my account number, and now I have sent this money to this account number. So I simply going to log in with this account number and check that whether he received this money or not. Okay. So I simply, now this is the home button by which we can move to the home screen, and this is the log out button. So I simply click on this log out and I log in here 123456 and type here PIN GHULAMABBAS. This was my password and I click on login. This is also another account with the same name. You can see that I have $7,000 in this account. If I go to the transaction history, I go to the money received history. You can see that I have received $2,000 from this account number on this date, and time was 9/4 p.m. You can see that we have sent $2,000 to this account number at 9:04 p.m. So he received that money in his money received history, and his balance has been also updated, $7,000. Okay, so now I'm going to send some money back to that account number which we have created right now. So I simply go to transfer money and paste account number here and check that. You can see that this is the same name user, Ghulam Abbas, and with this mobile number. Okay, I'm simply going to send $1,000 and my pin was Ghulam Abbas. Simply click on transfer. So successfully, go to transaction history, and you can see that I have sent $1,000 to this account number. Now I am going to log out from this account and type here my account number and password, Java. Click on login, and now you can see that I have received $1,000 successfully. My previous balance was $2,600, and now my new balance was $3,600. If I go to transaction history and go to the money received history, now I have received $1,000 from 123456 on this date and this time. So this is the banking application that you can create after taking this course. This is our dummy application. This is not a big handy application. I have just created this application at the end of this course so that you can know the original implementation of what you have learned in this course. So this is the little banking application that you can create after taking this course. You can create more professional applications like that. So I hope that you like this application. Now this application is purely created in Java and is connected to database. All the data is saving and fetching from our database. So this is the little application that we can create after taking this course. Now if you have decided to take this course, then I welcome you to this course. My name is Ghulam Abbas and I am instructor in this course. I officially welcome you to this course. So let's see first of all what is Java. Java is a general purpose computer programming language that is concurrent, class-based, object-oriented, and specifically designed to have as possible implementation dependencies as possible. Now Java is a general purpose programming language, means we can use Java in every field of computer science. It is a general purpose language. Also it is a concurrent. We will discuss about concurrent in our course basically. It is also object-oriented programming. So we will also discuss about the OOP in this course. And also Java is one of the most popular programming language nowadays, which is used in big companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, just like that. Now there are some features of Java. First one, Java is a simple programming language. Second one, it is a secure programming language. Now most of the banking applications and the applications that need security are mostly created in Java because Java is a secure programming language. Next, Java is an object-oriented language, means we can work in Java with object-oriented programming. We can create classes and objects to manage our applications. Basically, Java is a 100% object-oriented programming language. So this is one of the best features of Java. Next, platform independent. Now, the code created in Java is platform independent. Once you have write a code, you can run that code on every platform. You can run that platform on Windows. You can also run that code on Linux also. So Java is platform independent. Once you write the code, you can run your code everywhere. So that's why Java has a slogan, Java is everywhere. Definitely Java is present everywhere in field of computer science. Next, it is a multi-threaded language. So you will understand about the multi-threaded when we will discuss about the threading chapter in this course. Next, high performance. Now Java is a secure, simple, object-oriented programming language that will give you high performance and much more features like that. Java is one of the most popular programming languages that have bunch of features in it, and we will definitely discuss about all the features of Java in this course. Now, in this course, we are only going to focus on Java Core or Java Standard Edition. So we will discuss about all the topics that are present in Java Core. So this is a little introduction about Java and the features of Java. Now if you want to become a Java developer, then that's great. Java is one of the most popular programming language nowadays. Definitely, if you want to become a computer programmer, you must have to learn this language because it is one of the most popular programming language nowadays. Now before taking this course, If you are little irritated with my voice, then please you have to cooperate with me. I am sure that you will enjoy this course. So if you are little irritated with my voice, then please you have to cooperate with me. I will try my best to deliver my knowledge to you. So I hope that you will cooperate with me. Next, course price. I have put lowest price on this course, which is $19.99. Now this is the lowest price that I can place on this platform. So I have just placed this price on this course so that everyone can grab it. Everyone can take this course and learn the Java core or Java Standard Edition. So I have put the lowest price on this course so that everyone from anywhere in the world can grab this course and learn the Java. And I am sure that you will enjoy this course. Also, I will add some quizzes in this course so that you can evaluate that what you have learned in this course. So at the end of every section, I will add a quiz that you must have to solve if you want to evaluate that what you have learned in this section. So I will add quiz in every section in this course. Also, I will add some coding exercises at the 2 or 3 sections that will definitely help you to improve your coding. But after that, the code become complex so that you have to practice hard on that topic in your IDE, which we'll use in this course. So I will add some coding exercises at the starting sections so that you can also enjoy the coding at the same platform. But after that, the codes become complex so that you have to practice your coding on the IDE that we will use in this course. Now, if you thought that you will purchase this course, then I will meet you in this course and I will try my best to deliver my knowledge to you. For right now, goodbye. Hello and welcome back to this course. This is our second video of this course in which I will teach you that what are the steps to write a program in Java. So when I was at my university, then my professor told me 4 steps that will help us to write our code. So I am going to share all these 4 steps with you and how you can write a perfect code in Java. So let's start it. First of all, 4 steps to write a Java program. First one is learn the concept. Now learning the concept is one of the most important thing while writing the code. If you don't have a concept about anything, then you can do nothing. For example, we have an if statement. If you don't know the concept of the if statement, then you cannot use that if in your program because you don't know that how if statement is working. So first step is to learn the concept. Our main focus in this course is to learn the concepts because once you learn the concept, then you can apply that concept in your programming. Now second step is learn the syntax. Once you learn the concept of that thing, for example, if statement. If you learn the concept of the if statement, then you have to learn the syntax of the if statement, that how you can write if statement in program. So the format of the if statement is called the syntax. How you can write if statement in the Java is called the syntax of that basically statement. So second point is to learn the syntax. First is to learn the concept. Second is learn the syntax. And third is to build your logic. Now, once you learn the concept that what is if statement, how if statement works, then you have also learned the syntax and how we can write if statement in our program. Now the third step is to build your logic. For example, if you want to find even or odd number in Java, then you have to build a logic that how I can use if statement to find the odd and even number. So this is the logic. Now how you can build your logic? Practice, practice and practice. When you practice hard, you will make more programs, and while making programs, you definitely need some logic. So when you practice hard in Java, you can definitely make your logic perfect. So building the logic is the third point. First one is to learn the concept. Second one is to learn the syntax. Third one is the build the logic. And the last step is to write code. These are the 4 steps that you need to write a perfect code in Java. We can see here, all the points are dependent upon the others. If you don't know the concept, then just learning the syntax and logic is not enough. And if you don't learn the syntax and just learn the concept and the logic, then how you can write the code? You don't write because you have a concept of if statement. You have built the logic, but you don't know that how to write if statement in Java. And if you don't build a logic, you know the concept, you know the syntax, but you don't know the logic, that how I can apply the logic on this program, then you cannot write a perfect program. And the last step is write a code. If you know all these three things, then you can write your code. If you know the concept, syntax and logic, then you can definitely write a perfect code. If any step is missing, then you cannot write your code. So all these 4 steps are depending upon each others. You have to learn all these steps for writing a code. Now our goal in this course is to learn the concept of that thing, learn the syntax, then we build our logic, and then we definitely write a code on that topic in our NetBeans, which I will use in this course, which is the IDE for writing Java programs. So I hope that you understand that these are the 4 important steps to write a program in Java, and all these steps are dependent upon each other. You cannot write a perfect code without these steps. If anyone is missing from here, you cannot write your code. So the first priority is to learn the concept, second is to learn the syntax, third is to build your logic, and fourth is to write the code. I hope that you understand. So in our next video, we are just going to set up our environment in which we write our code, and after that we will start our proper course in which we learn coding. Basically, we will learn the concept, syntax, logic, and coding of all the topics in Java core. We are only going to focus on Java core in this course. So I hope that you understand about these steps. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video. Hello and welcome back to this course, and today in this video we are going to set up our IDE for writing our Java programs. So before writing our programs, I want to show you that how you can set up our IDE. So there are a bunch of IDE in the market that you can use for your Java programming, but I will recommend you 3 IDE that you can use, but you have to use that IDE in which you will feel comfortable. So first of all, we have NetBeans, which is one of the most popular IDE for creating Java programs, and other is the Eclipse Java. And now this IDE is also one of the most popular IDE for basically writing Java codes. And at last we have IntelliJ. And IntelliJ IDEA is one of the popular IDE for writing the Java codes. Now 3 are different IDEs that you can use to write your Java programs, but throughout this course we are going to use the NetBeans because most of the people feel comfortable while using the NetBeans. So first step that you want to do is you just have to go to Google, and here you have to search for JDK, and you will see this Oracle official website. Just click on it. And from here you have to simply download this JDK. Simply click on download, and after that simply select here your operating system. For example, I have Windows, so I simply select here Windows 64-bit, and I download this zip file. Okay, so I have to agree, and then I have to click on download, and you can see that my download has been started. I have already downloaded and installed JDK in my computer. It is just easy to install software. Just download it and install it on your computer. Just after installing this JDK, you have to set up your IDE. So you can download anyone from here. I am going to use the NetBeans for this course. So simply search for NetBeans and click on download from here. So first of all, we have the Java Standard Edition, in which you have NetBeans Platforms SDK, Java Standard Edition, Java FX. This is in Java EE. We have all these. In HTML5 we have this. In PHP we have this. In C++ we have this. You can download either Java SE or either you can download this all from here. Right now in my laptop I have installed this all because I want to access all the features, because I also use this IDE for other programming languages like C++ and PHP. So you can download this Java SE, Java EE, or all. You can download any one from these three versions. But right now you can use the Java Standard Edition and Java EE. That's totally dependent upon you that which you want to use. If you only want to use Java Standard Edition, then simply you have to click on here download, and your download should start automatically. So here your NetBeans will start downloading, and after that you just have to download it and install it on your computer. I have already installed this NetBeans on my computer. You can see here it is 94 MB. So you can download it and install it on your computer, but I have already installed JDK and NetBeans on your computer. Now just after installing it, we will start writing our code, but we will write our code in our next videos, in which we will print hello world on the screen. So right now you just have to install one IDE on your computer or laptop. I have given you three best IDE: NetBeans, Eclipse, and IntelliJ. You can use any one from these IDEs. These all IDEs are perfect and best for writing Java codes. So you need two things. One is JDK and one is the IDE. You can download the JDK from the official website of Oracle. I have shown you that how you can download it from this website. And also you have to download one IDE in which you are interested. And after just install the JDK and the software IDE that you want to use. Installing process is just simple, just like the other softwares. And just after installing that, you have to do nothing. I will show you that how you can use NetBeans or print the hello world on the screen in our next video. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.